The pandemic has made many things necessary. Things like being on the constant lookout for alternatives to things the pandemic wouldn't allow you to do. In the past year and a half, we witnessed a major shift in physical meetings moving online. More than ever before, conferences are being done online, and who would have thought a virtual music concert would be a thing? It is. Welcome to Alux. This trajectory has been made more interesting by the story of a young boy. This boy was to celebrate his birthday during the height of the pandemic, at a point where few to no gatherings were allowed. Well, this boy still wanted to celebrate his birthday with his friends. So how about attending a party virtually? A party where he and his friends could have fun and never feel like they were not really in the same place. They decided to hold the birthday party on Roblox, an online game platform that allows users to program and play games created by other people. The boy and his friends could attend this virtual party with their virtual game avatars and play different games together. This is not diluted fun. The experience really is like you are seeing the person one-on-one. On this platform, there are many in-app purchases you can make to design your avatar, just like you are shopping to change your wardrobe in reality. You can purchase these items with the game's virtual currency called Robux. This really is like a world of its own. This virtual place that is similar to the physical world is what's called a metaverse. Even people born and raised in the digital age find it difficult to explain this, so don't feel bad if you're not yet up to speed. Metaverse is like a three-way marriage of virtual reality, augmented reality, and physical reality. It blends your experience online with the one in real life. As you are who you are on Earth, so too is your avatar in the metaverse. The Metaverse Economy is a term coined by Neil Stephenson in his 1992 science fiction novel, Snow Crash. The term originates from the word metaphors, which means a form of representation that stands for something else. In other words, a metaphor is a combination of two or more concepts to create a new meaning. Using this definition as an example, the metaverse is an alternate reality that's being created through the use of virtual reality and other computer technologies. This world operates as an economy with its currency and banking system. The Metaverse Economy is also known as cyberspace or cyberland, and it's been implied this world can have just as much power over our lives as our physical world does. It's been suggested the vast majority of people will spend more time living in the metaverse than they do in reality in a few years to come. For example, virtual reality is no longer a distant, futuristic vision. The world's first virtual reality headsets have been on the market and commercially available for the past 5 years. These devices change the very definition of what it means to be a consumer and a creator. VR has the potential to revolutionize industries from gaming and entertainment to education and healthcare. Almost anything that requires visual presentations could benefit from virtual reality technology. With the release of the Oculus Rift headset, as well as Sony PlayStation VR, HTC Vive, Samsung Gear VR, Google Cardboard, and other similar devices, virtual reality is set to soon become one of the most powerful technologies driving our economy. Which begs the question, does everyone need to know about the Metaverse Economy? The answer is yes, everyone needs to know about the Metaverse Economy. With all of these devices that allow you to visualize a virtual world accessible from the comfort of your home or office chair, there are more opportunities than ever for people to make money in a virtual economy. Whether you're a gamer looking for a new world to explore or an entrepreneur who wants to make it big in the latest form of cyberspace entrepreneurship, there are many benefits to joining the Metaverse Economy. Here are just a few. Profit from creations that could be worth millions. Be part of the next level of commerce. Create immersive virtual environments by building your own space. Sell products to an international audience while gaining access to a new audience. Of course, not everyone will end up with a huge investment in it, but people's decisions should be informed by things they know about the metaverse. So let's learn some more. How to make money in the Metaverse Economy. The internet's 3D space is here. The metaverse has arrived, and it's time to get ready for what this new dimension will bring. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, which are like digital certificates of authority for digital assets, will play a major role in the incorporation of the physical world with the metaverse. NFTs will give a unique identity to avatars and digital items like shirts, shoes, and artwork. Already about $500 million has been spent on NFTs, with a further $40 million monthly. The growth of the digital market is exponential, but how can your business make an impact in this new world? The gaming industry is already taking advantage of the Metaverse economy. Developers are incorporating immersive virtual reality technology into their games, which leads to more game purchases, game downloads, and game engagement. There's endless opportunities for your business to explore in this new space, from designing games that can be played on virtual reality headsets to providing services for gamers. There are many ways you can find success in the Metaverse economy. IKEA is one of the early adopters of AR app technology. Their IKEA Place app allows you to virtually put their furniture in your house to see how it would look using your phone and AR. This prevents the nightmare of having to go to their stores physically, and worse still, not finding what fits. The incorporation of AR into their business has been successful and has caused other furniture companies to follow suit. Anthropologie and Lowe's are two other examples of furniture companies joining that AR train. An online shoe retailer like Converse allows users to virtually try on shoes with their Converse Sampler app to check out how they'll look on their feet. You can even snap it and send it to people for their opinion. Matterport allows real estate agents to have a 3D capture of their properties, which gives potential buyers a unique way of viewing properties. Imagine having a 3D tour of hundreds of properties in a day from the comfort of your house. This technological leverage gives a competitive advantage to real estate agents. Hobbyists will also find plenty of opportunity in the Metaverse economy. People who enjoy crafting or coming up with new ideas will be able to use 3D printers to bring their creations to life. This could be anything from jewelry pieces to toys. So, to wrap all of this up, the Metaverse economy is an open global digital market. It allows anyone in the world to participate. It's global in the sense no one can be barred from entry, and it's a free market so anyone can do business there. It's digital in that everything occurs on the blockchain, which provides immediate verification and security to all transactions. Simply put, the Metaverse economy is a new era of global trade. It's an era without borders, tariffs, or customs. Indeed, the full force of what the Metaverse economy can do is difficult to overstate. It's captured the attention of many in the virtual reality space, ranging from entrepreneurs to academics and futurists. The possibilities for this new economy are endless, and only time will tell how it'll play out in the long run. You might want to consider joining the Metaverse economy now and help make this era of global trade a reality for everyone.